Hello guys, welcome to Mecha School. Today we are going to solve a very simple geometry question, but it's also an important geometry question. If b plus f equal 150, what is d? So here is our graph. So I am going to solve now. For these types of geometry, you have to remember two key ideas. Number one idea is vertical angles are equal, and another is for geometry, you have to remember two ideas. Number one is vertical angles are equal, and number two key ideas is angles on a straight line always add up to 180 degree. So we point out this straight line like x and y. So for xy straight line, there create three angles: b degree, a degree, f degree. So we can write b degree, a degree, f degree equal 180 because of second key areas. For xy lines, we can write for xy line b degree, a degree, f degree equal 180 degree. b degree plus f degree plus a degree equal 180 degree. It is number one equation. Another key ideas are was vertical angles are equal. So here vertical angle means here let this straight line is m and n. So for xy straight line and mn straight line, the d degree and a degree are vertical angles. So that means they are equal. Vertical angles are equal. So that's why we can write here a degree equal d degree. So this is number two equation. Now put the value of a degree in number one equation. So from here, replace a degree equal d degree equal 108. Now given v plus f equal 150. So b plus f equal 150. So we can put this value in that equation. So the b plus f equal 150. So we can replace this value 150 plus d degree equal 108. Now minus 150 in both sides. For 150 here cancel out and d degree equal 30 degree. And this is the answer. Following this process, try yourself. If a equal 95, what is b plus d minus e? So guys, if you are enjoying this video, press the like button and subscribe to our Mecha School.